Hey Jarelskis! This is episode 3 of our new Starbucks Tipid Hack series where I try to revisit my old Starbucks Tipid Hacks at titignan natin kung applicable pa rin to up to this date. Ordered a coffee jelly frappuccino na venti, tapos I requested to have the coffee jelly na max scoops. So dati shinare ko that you can actually request for max scoops of coffee jelly. So in-order ko siya ngayon and guys, look! Minax niya pa rin yung coffee jelly. So, applicable pa rin siya. So, normally for grande, in-order ko lang kasi yung coffee jelly frappuccino na grande. Usually, like, 3 scoops lang ng coffee jelly pero ginawa niyang 5, guys. So, magsawa tayo pa rin sa coffee jelly. Guys, pasok pa rin siya sa ating Starbucks Tipid Hack. You just need to request na i-max yung scoops ng coffee jelly kapag nag-order kayo ng coffee jelly frappuccino.